but the room is still cold. If this is happening in your home, you are not alone. In today's video, I will explain real technician-level reasons why your AC runs but does not produce warm air, especially during winter. No marketing talk, no fake tricks, only real-world problems technicians see every day. Let's begin.
Many people believe their AC is in heating mode, but actually, it is not.
On most remote controls, the heating mode symbol is a sun icon. Cooling mode is usually a snowflake. If your AC is still in cooling or auto mode, warm air will never come out. Another mistake is temperature setting. If you set heat mode at 20 degrees Celsius or lower, the AC may not activate heating at all. Technicians always recommend setting heating between 24 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Simple mistake, but very common. Now we move to a real technical issue. Inside your AC, there is a part called the reversing valve. This valve changes the direction of refrigerant flow. In cooling mode, it removes heat from the room. In heating mode, it sends heat into the room. If this valve gets stuck or weak, the AC will run normally show heat mode, but still blow cold or normal air. This problem usually appears after 2 to 4 years of usage. You also hear strange clicking sounds when switching modes. This is a technician-level fault and requires professional repair.
Here is something most people don't know. Air conditioners do not produce heat like heaters. They extract heat from outdoor air.
When outdoor temperature becomes very low, close to 0 degrees, the AC heating efficiency drops heavily, so you may notice weak, warm air, long heating time, or no noticeable heating at all. This is not always a fault. It is a system limitation, especially in extremely cold regions. That is why some European homes use additional heating systems with a C. Another serious winter issue is ice buildup. When heating mode runs, the outdoor unit becomes cold. Moisture from air freezes on the coil. Defrost system does not work properly, ice keeps building up. This blocks airflow and heat transfer. Result: compressor runs, fan spins, but heating stops. If you see thick ice on an outdoor unit, your AC needs defrost inspection. Never break ice with sharp tools, it damages coils. Refrigerant gas is the heart of heating and cooling. When gas level becomes low, cooling becomes weak, heating almost disappears. In the heating mode, low gas problem becomes more noticeable. You may feel slightly warm air at start, then it becomes normal temperature. Gas does not disappear by itself. It means there is a leakage somewhere. Only proper pressure testing and vacuuming can fix this. Your AC uses temperature sensors to decide when to heat and when to stop. If the indoor sensor becomes faulty, AC thinks room is already warm, so heating does not start properly. Symptoms include short heating cycles, sudden stop of warm air, incorrect temperature display. This problem is common in dusty environments or after power fluctuations. Technicians usually test sensor resistance values to confirm. People clean filters in summer, but forget winter maintenance. When indoor coil becomes dirty, airflow reduces, heat transfer becomes weak. Warm air feels very low. Your AC may be heating internally, but air cannot pass through properly. Cleaning indoor filters every 30 to 45 days improves heating performance a lot.
If your AC is on, but not heating, first check correct heat mode. Temperature setting above 24 degrees Celsius air filters, cleanliness.
If problem continues, do not keep restarting the AC. Call a technician and ask them to check reversing valve gas pressure. Outdoor defrost system, temperature sensors. This saves compressor life and prevents bigger damage. If this video helped you understand your AC better, give it a like and share it with someone who is freezing at home right now.
Subscribe to the channel for more real technical explanations. Simple, honest, and practical. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.